Hindi yata maano dyan eh. Ay.
Ano? Pacham.
Just one. Pacham. Okay, you just put it. Reenactment. Again, reenactment. No. Don't drink it. Just place it in your mouth. Photo.
Don't drink it. Just drink it.
You.
Hindi rin ito.
Huwag kang
Inuwi mo lad. Sikit.
Minibidyohan ko. Pananakot ko to kayuan. Yan, dyan ka lang. Bukas.
Tumaba ng lifespan. Tumaba ng lifespan ng baka-nakakot. That heart will be beating still tomorrow.
Oh, my friend is calling from Denmark.
Yan.
Napang?
Okay, it's not that. You tried it? You finished it. Look at your eyes. You didn't cry? Yeah. You didn't cry? Why didn't you cry? It was red.
Alcoholic? Alcohol siya?
Alcohol.
Yeah, it's alcohol.
Para sa yung friend ko coming from Denmark, may kasama siyang
Ano yung mabaho?
You hold it. You just hold. You just hold.
Hindi naman pa.
1 minute na, ayaw pa rin.
Overrated. Hindi naman mainit lang.
Then you can brag.
Hindi matagwa yan.
Subukan mo, Dennis.
May hangover pa.
have nothing to brag about. What a statement. Where's the green one? No, the
nothing to brag about. Not on, Lalo. Still have the flash. Oh, too bright. Still too bright.
Ano next? Okay lang.
You try.
Kaya naman ako.
Diba? Ate Galing would try. I know somebody who's gonna help me go around.
Close to Westlight.
But then if they wanted more of the
Bangay ko pala ka, di mo kaya kainin.
Masarap ang chicken. Parang chicken nga.
Pero walang mga
Sabi ko nito, sila nga kumain ng...
Oh, pala kayo.
Ako pa, sila nga hindi natakot. Ako pa, yan nga natakot sila. Ako hindi natakot.
Kasi baka mamaya.
Gumagalaw.
Are you supposed to take it off?
Yeah, together.
So you have... Go to it.
If you want to, yeah.
So that you have...
Kaya gumagalaw pa.
It's risky. That's a little one. It's not gonna be
No, it's gonna evolve. Develop.
Oh my God.
And we will adapt to this new environment.
Uminit, You're not a doctor, right? I hope you never become one.
Conductor.
Conductor. You call him conductor.
Conductor.
You know what she knows? The Tagalog word she knows? All lingo. All gay lingo.